Everybody wants to have their business on TikTok, but the first step is to know how to actually edit a TikTok video. Before you get into all of the optimization or strategy that goes behind your videos, you need to just know how to post. After this video, I want you to be sure to post your first video and put it in the comments so that we can see it too. Be sure and like and subscribe to this account to learn all things TikTok and social media for your business. All right, how to edit your first video, and we're not getting into anything crazy. Let's go.
Okay, here is how to edit a TikTok video. This is actually going to be a video that I recorded outside of the TikTok app. But once you open up the app, you can head to your home profile screen. So if you end up here, then on the bottom right, you will see the profile icon. Click that. And then right here in the middle is the plus sign, and that's what I'm going to hit to start a video. So from here, I can actually record right inside the app. Make sure, as you see, it's set on photo. There's a 15-second video and a 60-second video. I like to do 60 seconds just in case. And but I'm gonna just upload. Okay, so here I have a video, and I need to edit this video. There's some stuff you can see here that needs to be taken out. So on the right side is the editor. And then what I like to do here is drag this until I start talking. Then I'm going to click on this film strip looking thing and hit the split button. And then I can delete that piece of film that I don't need. I'm going to drag through until I see another place that I need to edit. So right about here, I'm going to click the film strip, hit split, and then drag it until I start talking again. Hit split and delete. So let's say that wasn't quite where I wanted to start. I can click on the video that I want to edit here, and I can pull it all the way to the beginning, really, but pull it to where I want it to be. Okay, so let's pretend like I have edited this entire video and we're not doing anything fancy. We're just cutting out pauses and things like that. So from here, I'm going to go to save. And then on this right side, I'm going to drop this arrow down and I'm going to hit captions. And my captions are going to load here. From the captions, you can go through and change something if you need to. Hit save whenever it's good, and then save. And I can move the captions just by holding onto them and arranging them where I want. One other thing that I'm going to show you is how to add text. So I don't remember what this video is about. So I clicked the text button. Now I can change the type of font just by flipping through these. I can change what the font looks like. So where this A in the square is, I can click on that and that outlines it all the way white and then gives me a little shadow there. And then I can change the colors down here. Then I can again drag my text. I can make it as big as I want. And if I only want the text at the beginning of the screen, I don't actually like that because we can't see it very well. I can highlight it and it gives me the option text to speech, set duration, or edit. So I'm going to set the duration, and then I can drag this bottom white to the duration that I want this title. Whenever I've chosen it and decided that it's good enough, I can hit the check mark. And there are obviously some other things that we can do here, but what we're going to do for now is hit the next button, add my caption here, add my hashtags, and some of the hashtags that I use often are right in here. I like to select a cover. So where it says select cover here on the right side, I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to, I always use this red one. And then I'm going to say my how-to video. If I don't like the red one, I can click on the other ones and it will just change them. I don't have to change my text again. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, move it off my face and hit the save button. And then I can add a location. So if this is a place, if this is a local business, I would add a location and everyone can view this post. And then I'm just going to hit post. And that's it.